Hi there soulmates, welcome back to Kunmi Styling YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we'll be learning how to cut and sew an handkerchief skirt. The skirt has been trending now online and I decided to bring it to you, my audience. And to our returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for always coming back to the channel. I love you. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, you're also welcome. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will not be wearing the clothes. It's just a pieces of doll face, leftover doll face that I have with me. I just want to explain everything to you. So the measurements you'll be needing for this, like I said, is a very simple skirt to make. Is you need the length of the skirt, you need the waist. If you are using a zipper for yours, you use your waist for your radius, and if you are putting elastic, you will use your hip measurement. So I'll just go with the one that will put elastic at the waist. So I'll be using the hip measurement of 33 inches divided by 6.28 because you are cutting it like peplum, and that will give us 5.2 inches. So I'll be folding my fabric to show you how you do this, and I'm making the double one, so we just make use of whatever we have on our fabric. So I'll just fold my fabric. I'll fold it into four. It's either you use crepe material or you use an Ankara fabric for yours, whichever one is okay. I've trimmed off the rough edges. So you fold your fabric into four. Take your waist radius and the length of what I'm making is, I'll just make use of the length of what I have here. So, and my waist radius is 5.2 inches. 5.2. I'll take the 5.2 round like so. 5.2. So whatever I'm left with here, that's what I'm going to be using. So I have 9 inches. I have 9 inches here now. So I'll measure everything all through. I have 14 inches on that part. I'll come to this side. I will measure the 14 inches. So you just do it like a square. So I have 14 here already. I'll connect it with my ruler. So I'll cut off the excess. So the short part is going to be the length of your skirt. Let's say I'm making a long skirt of like let's say 30 inches length. So this side will carry the length of my skirt. This side, this is the high side, and this side is the low part. So let me measure it again. I have 14, 14, 14, and 14 here. So I'll be cutting this out. Don't forget, we'll still join band to this, so I'll cut it out. So after cutting it out, can you see what we have? Can you see it? Can you see our skirts? So look at it. Look at what we have. Look at the handkerchief. So I'll be using this one. I'll fold it back again. I'll use it to cut the second part of it. because it's double one that we are making. So the same way, I will just fold my fabric into 4 like this, and I'm using this to cut out the radius. So once I do it this way, I'll cut out the radius. After cutting out the radius now, I'm not going to be using the same length for this. I'll use length of 7 inches for this. 7 inches. So on the norms, I'm supposed to have measure this out before I cut the radius. So 5.2 plus 7. 7 plus 5.2. Can you see it is correct? So we have total of 12.5. So I'll cut it out. After cutting it out, this is what I have for this one. I'm not going to be opening any part of this since I am going to be putting elastic. Let me just give it a notch. I'll give it a notch. So if you are not putting elastic on your own, what you will just do is to just make use of your waist measurements. So I'll just pin it round. I'll pin it. Can you see it? Can you see the handkerchief? So you can even use this to make 720 handkerchief skirts. Band. After cutting the band, I'm going to be putting my elastic, and I'll serge this side and I'll fold it round. But I will not be doing that. I'm just here to show you everything. So I will go and sew here and put elastic inside, and I will show you. So I've put the band, I'll weave it round, and I cut elastic. The waist I'm working with is 28. I cut elastic of 24 inches. So I'll be passing it from this hole. I'll insert the elastic round and I'll finish it. I'll bring it to show us. Alright, so I'm done putting the elastic. Like I said, this is just for tutorial sake. I'll not be using it. Like I said, I weave this side and weave the hem and fold it if it were not to be the tutorial. Can you see it? Alright there, soulmates, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you find the tutorial helpful. If you do, drop your comments, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.